Hi guys, it's me again, Maria, and in this video, I'll be showing you how you can use Streamyard for free in creating your content, video, and as you see on my background, this is the virtual background that I'm using uh, into this video. This is all coming from Streamyard. So if you are using Streamyard, I think you already know what are the features of Streamyard, but like in this video, I am using the free version that you can take advantage of whatever you want to use for your video content. So without any further ado, let's do this. So from here, I'm gonna share my screen so that you can see uh, where you can find this virtual background, where you can use it using StreamYard. But most of all, of course, you have to create an account to StreamYard so that you can use all other features. Okay, so I'm here now and I'm going to share my screen. So now you see me here on the other side, right? And as you see here, there's so many features here down here that you can choose from. So if you want to just see your own face before sharing your screen, then you can just click this one and it will automatically go to a solo, like what you see here. Here on the bottom. Okay, you can choose. So if you have a guest or you're hosting, two of you are hosting the video, then you can just choose this one, for example, and then you will go on the other side and the other person is go on the other side. But since I'm the only one, so there's no no one going there. And there are so many layouts here that you can use, or if you want to use this one, like for example, you're doing some presentations or some here on the other side, which you are on this side and on the other side are your slides or things like that, then you can use this one. Or you can choose more on his, like this one. So I just want to make myself a little bit smaller so that you can see more on the video. Or you can use this one just to show what you are explaining for without you in this video. Okay, so you can shift a lot of things here on the layout, whatever you want. Okay, here on the setting. So here you go. So here are the cameras. So you're gonna choose what camera you are using and you click that one. And here down here, you will see the camera that are installed into your computer and you can choose which camera you want. So since I'm using this one, I'm gonna click this one and there you go. And the high definition is 720. You can also use 1080, but since I'm using the free version, so we cannot use this 1080. If you click this one, already live. Okay, sorry, I'm already live, so it doesn't move. So if you click this one, they're gonna pop up like you have to upgrade to basic, professional, or things like that, but you have to pay, of course. So I just use the 720, like what you see. This is how the 720 looks like. So let's leave it like that. And then let's go to the audio. And of course, this is very important. So here, the microphone, you see, if this blinking, that means your microphone is working good. So you can choose the microphone that you are using or the mic that are installed into your computer, like you can choose on this. So since I'm using my focus grid, so I'm just gonna take, and the speaker that I'm using is the default, which is coming from my computer. So make sure that you set this one. So echo cancellation, make sure you check this one. So it, if sometimes our microphone sounds like echoing, so it cancels all those noise. Then let's go to virtual background. Okay. This one, virtual background, as you see, my background here is this. And where you can find that one, you can find this background somewhere here, which is this one that I am using. Well, you can use a non-background, or if you have a green screen, well, I have a green screen. If you check this one, then you will have a choice of green or blue, and then you can fade it. But since I don't have that green screen, so I just uncheck this one. And if you don't want to have a background, just click the none and the background that you will see my background. I'm in my studio. So if you want to blur all the backgrounds behind you, then you can just click the blur and it will, you see that. Now, if there are two free backgrounds here, but you can upload your backgrounds too. So you can choose this one, you see the bricks, and you can use this also as your background. So the background that I'm using right now is this one. So you can just choose this one and looks like you are at your house, your home. And you can also upload your own background. So I upload this one. Just click the plus sign and go to your computer files and find the background that you want. Since I've already uploaded the background that I want, if I want to use this background of mine, then just click this one and you see the background will change. It will change to the background that you want for your video. All right, so that is how the StreamYard works when you use the virtual background, and this is all free. All right, so for recording, you see this one, just click the recording, and now you can, because I'm already doing this recording, so you cannot, I cannot touch that one. So here on the present, click that present, and you will see here the slides. If you want some slides to show up to present, just click this one. If you want to have an extra camera aside from the camera that I'm using, they're gonna ask you to go to a paid version. You have to upgrade if you want to use an extra camera. Let's say I want to upload some slides here. So I'm gonna upload this one, which already in my computer. So there you go. So here are the slides that you can use for your video. I just want to let you know, guys, that when you use StreamYard, then you can create your own content. You can share your screen. You can do some slides. You can play the video that you want for your content. So this is a free version of StreamYard. And before I end this short tutorial, guys, I hope this helps. And if you have any questions, please let me know down the comments. And don't forget to like this video, share, and subscribe to my channel so that you get notified every time I upload a video. See you next time, guys. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.